Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing 3 quick hairstyles. I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm going to be styling my hair. I'm going to be using what I received in my March beauty box, and this is from the company Sutra, and I've already used it. I've used it several times, and let me tell you, I love it. I've never seen something so compact, so strong. So I'm going to just texture all my hair, and then we'll go ahead and do the quick hairstyles. And I hope you guys enjoy. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to see more, and I love feedback, guys, so please just let me know, do you like these type of videos? What type of videos do you want to see? Just anything. Cool. And here we go. So first things first, and let me tell you, this thing gets hot super fast. Like, I literally just plugged it in and I could already feel like the heat. Okay, whatever you have, whatever works, just go ahead and just part your hair. Everybody does it. Just do however you usually normally do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do half, and then I'm going to put it like in a little bunish here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just bam. If you have a clip, go ahead and use a clip. It's probably better if you do use a clip. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just brush my hair through just to make sure there's no tangles. So because this wand is really small, you can't grab a lot of hair, so you have to grab a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and just part my hair. I think like this amount should be fine. It just depends how thick or how thin your hair is. You can calculate it. So don't get burned, guys. Here we go. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and just twirl my hair. Bam. All right, here we go, and then just do that, and then bam. So then it gets kind of like this. Like that. I did put heat protectant before. I don't think I put that in the video, but make sure you always put heat protectant, especially because if you have color in your hair and you don't put heat protectant, your color will fall, and that's what my hairstylist told me. So I was like, let's stay protected, guys. So the one that I'm using is Redken, and this will protect you up to 450 degrees. Of course, we don't need to have all that. Okay, so now that you're done, this is the part where the magic happens. Okay, so you're gonna go ahead and you're slowly, don't try to mess up too much, just slowly run your fingers through the hair. If you see any missing pieces or anything that's not curl, like let's say this little sucker here, because you just go ahead and do it real quick. When I say real quick, I mean real quick. Ooh, I think that is it. You see? I swear, love it. So now that you have this done, we're gonna do the first hairstyle. The first hairstyle, you're just gonna go ahead and it's going to be a little half bun. So we're gonna go ahead and get this amount of hair. You just, if you want to be precise, you can go ahead and get like a little comb and get the amount, but I'm not. I mean, my nails work pretty good, so yeah, this is good. Okay, so you're gonna go ahead and grab around this much. Here we go, this much. And you are going to do a little cute bun right on top. And here you go. So you get the hair. Make sure just comb the rest down. And then you're going to just go like that. twirl. Twirl, but don't go too crazy twirling. But it also depends. For example, if you want a tight bun, then curl, like just do it. Like if you want like a precise one, but I don't. So I don't curl too much. And then you're gonna go ahead and secure this with bobby pins. And then you are just gonna, you know, put them all in. I put one in every side. Just to make sure that it's secured. And then it also depends, you know, if you have thicker, if you're on the thicker side, then you might need to put a lot of bobby pins. You know, you kind of know when you feel your hair is secure, you know. This is it. Look at that. Ooh, I don't know. And it looks like, wow, like she really just woke up and did this. So my hair took a total of 10 minutes to do from start to end. And then now this, we just leave the end, clip it, and that's all you do. If you want a little lump, a little bump here, then go ahead and put your fingers here, and then you're gonna go up like that until it's even. And that's it, guys. That's my hairdo number 1. Little half a bun, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, now to look number 2. Whoosh. Just kidding. I'm not going anywhere. I'm still here. This is what we're gonna do. We are going to leave our hair like this, and what I'm gonna do is I'm going to do a side braid here, and this is gonna stay just as beautiful as we said it. Cause girl, you're looking great right now, let me tell you. If you're doing this right now while we're doing it, send me a pic. Tag me, guys. Tag me in the hairdos that you guys do. Hopefully, you know, you guys liked the tutorials. I'll have more. And I'm gonna just go ahead and you're gonna make a little line, divide your hair. This is what you're gonna be using for the braid. Okay, so the other side, you can just go ahead and either clip it, or what I do is I always use this because it's like, I always have it everywhere, it's so handy. And I just do it once, that's it. Just because, you know, I don't want it to mess up any of the curls we got going on. Okay, so for this, I don't use gel. I try to stay away from like gel just because it makes my hair white, or I haven't found the perfect gel. It's just, okay, so I'm gonna go ahead. And then plus, since I don't wash my hair every day, I don't like to have like things in there, you know. But that's just me, I'm just a little weird. So you're gonna get water, and then you're just gonna do this here. Okay, so you're gonna put your finger here, and then you're just gonna grab this much. It's gonna be a super small braid, guys, super small, and it's gonna be a French braid. So you're gonna go ahead and start grabbing hair from both sides. So yes, so we're just gonna go ahead and do this, and you're going to be you're gonna put the hair under, and then the other one under. And now this is the part where you're going to, after the second swoop, you're gonna start grabbing hair from the side. So you're gonna grab a little hair there. Bam! Make sure you really secure it tight. The tighter that you secure it, your hair is gonna look much more better and cleaner. So now with this one, you're gonna go ahead and just grab a little bit of hair, like that, you see? And then you're gonna swoop it under your braid, and then make sure you tighten it. So just as you're doing it, tighten. Okay, so now we're gonna get this strand, and we are going to get a little bit more hair, and then swoop it under. And we're just gonna go ahead and continue that. You want to make sure you have enough like braid to like secure. So I usually do like 3 more, and then that's pretty much it. So you see, you're done. And very quick, again, less than a minute. So let me just show you how it looks. Do you see that? It's beautiful, it's fast, and It looks like you took time doing your hair. Trust me, I get a lot of compliments at work. I just get a lot of compliments throughout the day, like, oh, how'd you do that, you know? Because, you know, it looks like you did your hair today. Today I did, you know? All right, so you're gonna go ahead and get your bobby pin, and then you just put one right under and go up, and then you put the other one, and then you go from the top, and then just boop to the bottom. If you do an X with pins, it'll secure it all day. With this look, it looks like you woke up today to get your stuff done, goals reached, more goals set. Look at this. Beautiful. Love it. And you can do it longer too if you want to do it longer, whatever you want to do. But here you go. And yes, this is it for look number 2. Hope you guys like this one. So now we're gonna go to the final look. Look number 3. Whoosh. Voluminous. Okay. Alright. Okay. So for our final hairdo, I'm gonna go ahead and we're going to create a little bun look. And it's gonna be a lower bun, but we are gonna leave some hair out. So it looks like you took time out your day today and did your hair. So it's gonna be a bun. It's not gonna be a struggle bun. It's gonna be a you made it happen bun. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get all your hair. And it doesn't have to be precise as far as like, oh, let's get all the hair away. It's okay. It's not a big problem. So just go ahead, get your hand, comb it through, make sure it's not crazy or anything. And there you go. So she'll look something like this. That's it. That's pretty much it. And then now you're gonna go ahead and just secure it. So go ahead and secure it. Alright, so now that it's secured, this is where the fun part starts. You're gonna start getting your hair from the front. Slowly. And you are going to pull out some hair. Not so. Bam. Now you're gonna go on this side. Same thing. You don't want to mess up your hair. You just want to pull up the front parts of your hair to shape your face. And it makes it look like, oh shoot, girl, she did her hair today. And if this happens, just go ahead and let me see. You can either take that piece out, but if it's too much, actually, you know what? It's good. See? Boom. So you can either take the piece out if you took a little bit too much, if that happens to you. But let's say, for example, I'm like, you know what? It's just too much. You can just go ahead, actually is probably better, and take that piece and just swoop it around, and secure it. Okay, bam, so that's it. And now, my handy dandy baby sutra, I'm gonna go ahead and just curl this hair. And actually, this size is perfect for this because it perfectly grabs it. And this one, I'm gonna leave it on for a little longer than I normally would, just because, yeah. And then pull it down. So now you're gonna get it and just pull it down. That way the curl will be less and less and less until it's how you want it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just, it's getting there. Yeah, you see how it's getting lower, the curl? Yeah, so I think this is good. And then I'm gonna go here on this side and I'm just gonna do the same thing and just like that. Let's just go a little faster. You see that? And then what I'm gonna do is here, I'm gonna go ahead and don't burn yourself, guys, but this is what I do here. That way it has volume at the top and it's not just so plain or so, you know, just sitting there. That way it just has a little oomph, a little, you know, that pizzazz. Okay, you see how it has a little, well, I can see, you see, it has like a little lump here. Okay, that's what I do. And then you just put it to the side. You can either separate this if you think it's not, if it's too condensed. And then this is the final part. Okay, after you already have the front pieces there, you already have your side, or like, oh wow, okay. Now, you already had tightened this up. So now you're gonna get the two sides from the top. You're gonna get two, so you're gonna get this part here, and you're gonna get this part. So these two right here, and you're gonna tighten it, and then now you're gonna push it up. Push it up. So it's gonna do something like this. You're gonna have a little bump up here, and that's what we want, some little volume. So just gonna play around with it until it's how you want it, and it's gonna make your pony higher and higher and higher, and that's what we want because we already took the time to curl our hair. So let people see those beautiful curls you got, you know what I mean? So go ahead and tighten it, and I think this is it. I think we are done. I'm pretty happy with how it's set up. Yes, and just so you guys can get a view of the hair and how it is. So it's a messy bun, but girl, you're gonna come in there and be like, yes, I'm here today. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. And I really hope that you guys stay till the end, watch all the hairstyles. I really want to see how you guys try it on your hair. I would love to see them, and just to know that, you know, my videos helped you in some way, and maybe, you know, now you have a different hairstyle. All right guys, I hope you really liked the 3 quick hairstyles. I know you won't be able to wear it outside, which I really hope you're doing your part and you're not going outside, guys. We really have to take this serious with all this COVID-19 virus. You know, we need to take care of everybody, and we have to do our part. If we don't do our part, then that's when it's out of our control, and more people can die, more people can suffer, more people can have the virus, where it could have been stopped if you just stayed home that day, because you never know when you can have this virus and where you can be passing it on to other people. So I really want you guys, and I want everybody, and I hope somebody listens to this message and just, you know, just stays home and tries to, I know it's hard to be staying home, and you rather go with your friends, or you rather go with your family that's not in your home, but just think of it, there's a greater purpose as why we're staying home. We want to make sure we secure this virus and it doesn't spread, and right now it's spreading very fast and it's very strong, and in a matter of weeks you can start, you know, it can take over your life. So this is just a quick little PSA. Just stay home, please guys, just do your part, and that's it. I mean, that's pretty much it. Hope you like and subscribe, and I really want to see your comments. Please, if you do the hairstyles, if you saw the tutorial, tag me, go on my Instagram. I'm on TikTok. I'll be doing some videos. Maybe I'll do some right now. But thank you so much, guys, and I really hope you guys watched it till the end. So bye.